Does your PC really meet the Windows 11 system requirements? Before you install or upgrade, there are a few basic things you need to check, otherwise you could run into errors or waste your time. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to check step by step. Open your Chrome browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Next, click the subscribe button below this channel. This will help us make more videos like this. Click on the first result which says Download Windows 11. Here are different ways to install Windows 11, but before you begin, it's important to make sure your system is compatible. So, I'll show you how to check if your PC meets the requirements. When you get to before you begin downloading an ISO, click on it. Scroll below. Click on Windows 11 device specifications. It then takes you to another page. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below this video. There you see a hyperlink which says PC Health Check. Click on the hyperlink. Now, download the PC Health Checker app by clicking on the hyperlink. Downloading. Wait for a few seconds for download to complete. Click on the Show in Folder icon to locate downloaded file. Here it is, so I will cut to desktop so you see every process clear. By right-clicking on the exe file, select the Cut option. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop, then select the Paste option. Right-click on the exe file and select Install. Click Run. Now follow the on-screen processes to install app. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Subscribe and share. Health Checker app installed. Click Finish and wait for app to open. Now, let's check together if your PC meets Windows 11 requirements by clicking on the Check Now button. Great! Mine meets Windows 11 requirements, but let's see all results if there's anything to be fixed. I mean all the requirements, but if your PC doesn't meet some of them, drop a comment below with the ones you're missing. I'll make a video showing you how to fix those issues. Also, I made a step-by-step video on how to make bootable USB for Windows 11. Check description. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.